confirmed. Eliminate all hostiles.
Hey, nigga, me roll.
Yo, got it. Yo. Yo.
On your 6.
The enemy's taking the lead.
What's up? Yo, what's up? 15 kills on easy trade for people.
What to say? That's common sense.
Nigga, how? Like, what do you mean injured? Like, the hurt? Like, one shot?
Wait, 15 kills for what now?
Injured people.
You're losing
Injured
ground.
people with a pistol.
Hostile UAV engaged.
I think that you talking about the one that says not affected by your body.
No, it's really says 15 kills.
I mean, yeah, you just killed me with that basically, you just got a third party every time. Yeah, basically just a third party every time.
It could be done in hardcore, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it can't. Yeah, I'm about to say it can't because everybody one shot hardcore.
I mean, but they do.
To be honest, it's good in regular tour.
Confirm that one.
I'm trying to follow farm one.
Sure. You confirmed.
Farm and tag. Stank ass.
Confirmed. Tag secure. You confirmed.
Wow, bro.
Confirm that one. Hostile wants the cruise missile. Enemies deployed a counter UAV. Enemy UAV. area.
These niggas know where I'm at. Come on, bring me an ammo box.
This is what we're doing. Where's the knife one? Remember the knife one?
I don't know what streak I'm on, bro.
They will tell you whenever you get a kill at the bottom.
And hardcore?
Yeah, I think so.
Confirmed.
What the fuck is that? You're better off using the... No.
My adrenaline running, bro.
Oh, five more.
One more?
Yeah. Only got 5 more. 4. 3. 2. 2 more. 1. You got it.
Let's fucking go! I'm him, nigga, with a pistol! Let's fucking go! Let's fucking go! With a fucking pistol, nigga!
Substation.
With a fucking pistol!
Yo, this nigga just dropped the fucking
With a fucking